Hi everyone, this is Katie here. Today is October 30th, Thursday, fourth trading day of the week. Yesterday we had the rates cut. However, today when market opened, it's Dow is gaining, but S&P 500 and Nasdaq pull back despite US-China trade truce. So market is a bit choppy here. Let's take a look at the different sectors. Well, generally tech sector took a hit, and other sectors are green, and also consumer cyclical, and also Meta. Meta took negative 10.64%, and Google plus 3%. That's up to around $300 for Google. Let's take a look at the portfolio here. VIX minus 3.37%. It means that the price action is generally quite bullish for the whole market here. The significant moves in my portfolio are SoFi minus 4.47%, Salesforce plus 2.72%, JD minus 2.3%, CRWV minus 3.57%. We have somehow minus 5.56%. So these are quite significant moves that indicates they are in the bearish or bullish price momentum here. Let's take a look at the trades placed for today. So in summary, Thursday is about rolling, reloading, and harvesting time. I push premium into December, clean up some November exposure, and stack fresh Theta layers across the different counters like JD, CRWV, STZ, and also NBIS here. Every row had a purpose, efficiency, yield, or structure. So let me talk about JD here. For JD here, I wrote JD November 14, $37 strike price to December 5, $37 strike price. So it's about 3 weeks extended expiration date. Got a premium about 0 0.3 cents here. It's a forward row just to lock in the premium while keeping the assignment probability intact. This trade here is just to maintain the yield continuity and gives Theta more room to decay through November's mid volume crush here. Next, we talk about CRWV. I wrote my SOT cost from November 28 to December 5 at the same strike price here. Got a credit of about $1 here. So it's a clean yield enhancement with zero additional risk here. Just roll up in time, not in risk. For STZ here, I roll 1 week later for $130 put here. Got a credit about 60 cents here. This is about just timing efficiency, compounding the theta while the underlying risk segue here. Last is NBIS here. So NBIS on the same expiration date, I roll or stack up from $110 to $120 here. So got a premium about 60 cents here. So just a quick small scale theta play to extract income while maintaining flexibility around gamma shifts. It's just a simple liquid and low risk trade here because it's just one day. And then the spot price for NBIS is about 127, 128. And the probability of profit here, it's more than 80%, about 80% here. So that's why it's just to roll up from 110 to 120. Just the daily takeaway for today. It's not about chasing, it's about optimizing. So just extended time for JD and CRWV. And then STZ is to tighten the yield, and NBIS to harvest some clean decay here. I think that's all for today. So remember to like this YouTube video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on your notification bell and have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.